Hi, my name is Sevval Esra. I live in Istanbul, Turkey, and I graduated from Yeditepe University with a bachelor degree in architecture. And now I want to continue my studies in interior architecture by studying at the University of Westminster. In my portfolio, you will find several academic projects I developed during my architecture studies, along with a few competition entries. The first project I'd like to present is a theater complex focused on special design for performance spaces. The project includes a main theater along with a black box and other urban multipurpose spaces. Since it's located in a central area with a strong cultural impact, the complex is designed to be a public space that I aim to create for bringing people together and encouraging community interaction. The relationship of the structure with its surroundings, entrance areas, and open public spaces are shown in the ground floor plan. In addition to the main classical theater, the project also includes a black box space that can be used for different purposes. One of the key features of the black box is its ability to open to the outside, allowing it to function as an open-air stage. This makes it a flexible space that can host different types of events. At the end, you can see photos of the physical model and a collage showing how the proposed design connects with its site. My graduation project was a museum focused on the history of Istanbul. It explores the historical peninsula and aims to represent the city as a port city by looking at material accessibility, craftsmanship, and trade, and how these shape the city's development. Here you can see the plan of the museum, which is located on the historical harbor, and one of the main features is that circulation inside the museum is organized through a ramp system. This part shows the ground floor plan of the museum and the educational building, which focuses on local crowds. A semi-open public space connects two streets through the site. On the third floor, both buildings connect to the historic structure located within the project site. The design of the facade takes inspiration from the historical building on the site and its ornaments. I try to redefine it with a contemporary approach. The views show how the proposed design fits into the skyline of Istanbul's historical peninsula. This is a semester project done as a group for the International Valix Competition 2022. The design features a multifunctional canopy and facade system based on the concept which is shadow extends darkness where daylight animates. The light-shadow relationship changes as the panels on the facade move depending on the human density. The system is designed to be used for multiple purposes. This is a housing project that I designed for students where the project area is planned to integrate with the neighborhood to serve as a rest and meeting point, not just for the residents. On the south facade of the project site, there are seating areas and a small cafe designed to be open to use by the local community. In the private bedroom areas, due to their small size, I designed custom furniture that fits the space, aiming to create functional and comfortable living environments. Here you can see a collage that combines a photograph of the site with the design project. I also wanted to include some of my basic design projects, which features a few collage works and physical model studies. This project focuses on the concept of replacement based on my personal environmental impressions. In this context, replacement refers to the act of removing a part of the environment and completely filling it with external materials. And here I created a special atmosphere and a scale scenario to design a living space based on a photograph we worked on. In this arrangement, individuals appear in different forms across various special areas, both indoors and outdoors. The last project I like to share is a ceramic tile design I prepared for the Zeki Yurt by Design competition. The theme was routines and traces, and my concept was don't break the chain, highlighting the continuity of routines. The tiles are designed to complement each other and form a visual chain. The interior architecture program at the University of Westminster is a great opportunity for me to deepen my knowledge in design in a creative and interdisciplinary environment. I believe this program will help me in reaching my future goals. Thank you for considering my application. I'm looking forward to being part of this dynamic academic community.